Hey folks, plenty of sunshine across the valley again today, and with that, temperatures bounce back up into the mid-upper 90s across the region. We're watching, though, for a slight chance for a shower or two coming out of those clouds. Maybe tomorrow, a slightly better chance on Saturday, but even at that, we're topping out at 10%, not much more than that. Take a look at overnight tonight. Skies are mainly clear. Then tomorrow, you see a green splotch or two, but not many, but isolated green splotches, and those green splotches are just that, a shower mainly along the sea breeze. You're looking at afternoon stuff forming in the eastern part of the valley and moving westward. And you look at the Saturday forecast, same kind of thing. It's a mostly sunny day, but then you get a brief interruption by a quick shower, and then it's gone. And then Sunday, you don't have that brief interruption anymore. Instead, sun takes over and stays with us, it looks like, for the rest of the forecast period. So we're still mainly dry Friday and Saturday, but about a 10% probability of a brief shower or a thunder shower on that sea breeze, mainly in the afternoon. And it's probably 5% Friday, 10% Saturday, so really it's a mainly dry day both days. And then Sunday you're still dry completely with the chance of rain moving back out of the forecast. Here's where we stand right now: 95 Rio Grande City, 92 in Raymondville, 89 in Port Isabel at this hour. Overnight we'll end up in the upper 70s, except at the beach, about 81 at South Padre Island. And yes, it will be humid, and tomorrow it won't be just humid, it'll be humid and hot with temperatures back in the 90s valley-wide tomorrow. The normal for this time of year is 95. We're going to be above that at 96, 96, and 98. The records won't be threatened, so we're really pretty close to normal for this time of year. Still watching some moisture in the Gulf of Mexico. Yesterday it was quite impressive over Louisiana. Today, not as impressive as it moves into East Texas, but the southern edge of that is going to try to sneak into the valley during the daytime tomorrow. Most of it's to the north, but isolated showers down here. You see a little green right there. You go into Saturday, same kind of thing. An isolated shower shows up in or near the valley, and then by Sunday, that's out of here and the dry weather builds in. And once it builds in, it's here to stay for a while. We don't see it breaking at all anytime soon. So our rain chances, not very good at all, but next 2 days probably the best chance. Look how quiet the tropical zone is down here. Nothing going on at all. We do still have the remnants of Beryl with a 50% chance of developing going to the north. And Chris, remember, Chris has now become a post-tropical system, no longer being tracked by the Hurricane Center. At our coast, here's what's going on. Winds out of the south-southeast 15 to 20. Low tide's 908, high tide 638 in the morning. Seas about a foot or two. So for tonight then, 77 for a low, mainly clear, warm and humid. Southeast winds at about 6 to 12 miles an hour. Then tomorrow back up to 96. Could be an isolated shower, but most areas stay dry, southeasterly winds. Isolated shower possible again Saturday, and then after that, we take the rain out of the forecast and we keep sunshine in the forecast, and that means it warms up even more. Most of next week, temperatures will be near 100 pretty much each and every day. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.